Hello everyone, welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I got coffee and I hope you have yours. Now, it is morning when I'm recording this, but by the time it uploads, I have no idea what time it will be. You guys know that I'm uploading on data, so it takes a little longer. So, I hope you all had a great weekend. We had a lot of rain and storms this weekend, and it's still kind of cloudy and gray outside today. It's really muggy out there, so that's why I'm not out there today. So, but we needed the rain because it was starting to look a little brownish, and so if we'd had all of the rain from the wintertime and bring it here, we'd be perfect. But yeah, so anyway, so yeah, so like I said, I hope you all had a great weekend. I did a lot of different things this weekend. I've been writing ads for, trying to find kids and stuff to whatever, and just trying to get my little ducks in a row about what I'm going to be doing, which brings me to my channel and this week and what's going to be upcoming for a while. So, as far as videos, I am going to put as many videos up as I can, but please know that my internet is limited. I am using somebody's internet right now with their permission. And but it does take longer to upload things. And so, but upcoming videos that I have for you, I have a Dollar Tree DIY that will be up tomorrow. I know I said last week I was going to do an oil video, like on my oils and stuff that I use in doTERRA, and I did not get that up last week, so it is going to be up this week. And there may be two, because I want to announce the sale that I'm having with my oils, and my dear friend Melissa, who helps me with my business, is going to be here, and she wants to do a special program about the summer benefits of oils and different oils that will help us get through the summer. So that'll be coming up. I will have Card Design Thursday this week, and I've managed to get the Dollar Tree and the card design videos uploaded. So, but there's another video that I want to talk to you about. It's going to be about a club video, and this is something that I'll explain more on the video itself. But basically, when you hit 10,000 subscribers, YouTube will allow you to have like a little club per se, and it has a little join button up there, and it has different features. It's kind of like Patreon in a way, has levels of participation and stuff. And I thought and prayed about this, and I've been encouraged by my good friend Nora. Hi Nora, to try this, and so. But I am nowhere near 10,000 subscribers. I'm about 7,849 away. So this is something that I'm going to do on my own, hopefully. But anyway, you'll hear more about that when the video comes out. I have I wrote notes today, so I wouldn't forget anything. Just put my glasses on so I can see. Okay, I also have another beach decor video that I'm working on right now. It is something that I found out by the river that I'm using. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree items, I'm not going to call it a Dollar Tree DIY per se, because I'm using a lot of mixed different things on there. I have there again, put buses back on. Okay, I have another Dollar Tree project coming up, and I have a video of my bathroom makeover. I'm so excited about getting one area of my house done, made over, or whatever. So I have that coming up for you as well. Now, I know some of you have seen destashes that I'm doing, and if you want to know why there's so many, it's because I need to get my internet back, because I'm going to be brutally honest with you. So I'm working on that, and it's not necessarily because I want to bombard everybody with these destashes, but it's something that's necessary for me to do. So I'm going to revisit some of the destashes that I've had already, and I've sold a few of the things out of it, and I may do some combining some things and separating some things. That will be out tomorrow, so I'll let you know at the end of the day, tomorrow what it's going to be if I don't sell the ones that are up there now. But if you haven't checked those out, I have some stamps that I have on Destash. A couple of them. One set is Magnolia stamps with one CC Design and one Pixie Design stamp. And the other one is just some miscellaneous stamps that I put together. And then I still have the Tim Holtz die set that is 4 dies, 2 Tim Holtz dies and 2 other dies available. And then I have the embossing folder set available. So if you haven't checked those out, I'll link them below. Please check them out. And on the, I think on the stamp set, I've actually reduced the price on one of them. One of them was only $10 plus $3.50 shipping. I can't reduce that. But the Magnolia one was $20 plus shipping, and I reduced it by $5, so it's $15 plus shipping. And the shipping is really cheap on that one. So that's why I'm kind of doing the destashes. And I'll probably have some more. Thursday Live this week. I do plan on having Thursday Live. I have a friend who has a hotspot, and they were willing to let me use it for Thursday Night Live if I don't have my internet on by then. They were so sweet, and so I will have Thursday Night Live this week. And I'm going to finish up my lace book. I have been working on it because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do lives or not, and I wanted to make sure I got the progress work done so I could show you. So we're going to probably finish the last couple of pages together on Thursday night, and then next Thursday night we'll start something different. I've been working some in my art journal because it's just a good outlet for me. And I've been trying some new techniques that I haven't tried before. And I wanted to do them in my art journal before I committed myself to doing them on canvas or anything like that. So, yeah. So that's kind of where we are. Listen, I want to thank all of you so much for your support. And over the last couple of weeks, it has been very difficult. I'll tell you, it's been hard getting up in the mornings now, knowing that there's not going to be any children here. And, you know, the first couple of mornings, you know, you get up and you wait for your kids and you fix breakfast for them, and then you realize they're not going to be here. So it's been kind of difficult. You guys know I'm very open and transparent with you, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. But I have total faith that there's going to be something better coming along for me, and I don't know what it is yet, and I can't see it in sight yet, but I do believe that it will happen. And so I'm going to concentrate on working very hard as much as I can on my YouTube channel. Don't forget about my Keto Living channel. I can't do anything with that channel until I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm a long ways away. I think I got 17. So if you've not subscribed to the Keto channel, please go over there and do that. I will link that below as well. Whether you're on keto or not, I will have recipes out there that can be adapted to your family. They're really yummy recipes and stuff. So I'm trying to transition most of my keto and healthy living stuff over to my keto channel and make Crafts and More all about crafts. So, yeah, with that being said about the keto, I do not know if I will have the Keto Living on Friday. I think it will be over on my keto channel from now on. I'm just going to switch it over. That way I can have Fridays saved for crafty videos or other things that I want to do. So the crafting channel is really important to me. So is the vlog channel over with the Keto Living. It's hashtag my keto journey. And so, but I'll have all that information listed down and below in the description box for you. So I think that's all I had to say. That's all my notes say anyway. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, or whatever, leave them below down in the comment box. Now, if you just joined in my channel and love the rambling that you heard this morning, it's not always like this. Sometimes I actually craft. But anyway, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And when the bell pops up, don't forget to tap it where YouTube is supposed to notify you every time that I upload a new video. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you all in a little while. Bye.